Each summer, an echo of summers past, an after-image washed by the tide, the impressions of which gather themselves into castles' wet footprints, a bunker dissolving to gold upon Pennard's shoulder. The cool Atlantic sloshes higher, closer now than lavender, the surrendering dusk that folds into sleep on Rosilly, the peppering bell heather Goldilocks aster, striking cliff edge to fire. Its untouchable stratum of smoke where we arrive not like strangers but easing back, swimming the century's tide, noting each pure and tiny thing, the bees' drunken wing beat, drilling hours among the orchids. Silk-seamed, that familiar braid of sea and stitching itself along Oxwich. On Llanmaddock, trees rake themselves black across marshes, a slow snowfall of curlews, breeze whipped to a slippery hush. Around them, ponies carousel, trample their startled applause.